About to get the POV y'all been waiting for. Oh yeah. All strapped in. Got my bear.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm ready.
All right.
All right, let's go as fast as this can go, all right?
Enjoy your ride.
Oh man, I'm bucking here. Woo! So you're really bouncing pretty good. See? You can see how everyone's bouncing here. You got the beautiful landscaping coming up to Wildwood Creek here. Sorry, I'm using the southern accent. It happens to me every time I hit the Smoky Mountains. Yeah. Everybody's waving at you. And just like that, you're about done. You can see just how there's the wildwood tree, just how picturesque this whole new area is here. It's beautiful. Woo! Oh yeah. That was wild. Hope y'all enjoyed that Black Bear Trail. I get some ice on my thighs now. Peace out.